How to scan the Shopee QR code. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can scan the Shopee QR code. So for that you need to follow the following steps. Head into the Google Play Store, make sure you have logged in on the top search bar, tap for Shopee. If it is available in your region then you can simply install it. After installing the Shopee application, just follow the following steps. Log into your account on your Shopee and you will see a homepage like this. On the top left side, you will see a horizontal line with four vertical brackets right there. Just tap on that. After you tap there, you will see the scanner option. Either you can also tap on the scan option which you see right here, and you can simply scan the QR code by going on the Shopee app to log in your Shopee account and use the QR code via Shopee website or your application. Just like that, you can simply make payment by scanning the QR code, and that's how you can solve the problem. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.